Hi guys, my name is Bree. I'm a new member of Southern Drone Ops. I'm kind of a little bit of everything. I do sales. I'm going to be getting my 107. I'm going to be having my own spray team. I'm going to be our 4th spray team. We currently have 3 other spray teams. Right now, I haven't got my 107 or my 137 yet. So right now, I've basically been working in the accountant area with my mother, Miss Wendy. I'm glad to say that I'm part of this production and that I'm going to be here to help get everything going throughout the way. And I think we're going to have a good season. Y'all are going to be seeing me a lot more, and y'all will soon be seeing me in the field. So, hi guys, I'm Bree. This is our Pineapple Express. Y'all probably seen it on our channel. We are going to be giving this our 3rd spraying team. This is what he's going to be doing all of our winter spraying out of. Last year we did not do much winter spraying. This year we have all kinds of new opportunities for the winter time. We're not going to be shut down during the winter. Take this home, he's going to winterize it, and then he's going to be to y'all's services for any type of winter things, like we're going to be doing spreading salts and so much more. Just y'all will have to be watching for the updates for that. So if y'all have any more questions about the pineapple, y'all can leave those in the comments and we can answer y'all's questions.